Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechOns. So today I will show you how to enable battery percentage level in your Realme device, and here I show the steps by using my Realme Narzo 20. At same time this check works for all Realme devices, but if you have the operating system of Android 10. So anyway, let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, open your settings menu. So here you can go to notifications and status bar and simply click to open it, and then I get the option called show battery percentage on status bar. So just click to open it, and it has the two options. One is inside the battery icon and another one is outside the battery icon. So you can choose any one of them, but always I like outside battery percentage indicator, so I try to select the second one. So finally you can see in top of right side it shows my remaining battery percentage level. So this is the way you can easily enable your Realme battery percentage level by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechOns, and thanks for watching.